Hi everyone! In today's video, we're solving one of the most common website design challenges. Building a professional services section from scratch usually means arranging icons, headings, descriptions, buttons, and layouts manually. It takes time, and getting everything to look polished isn't always easy. That's why we built the new Services section widget for HTMega. Everything you need comes together in a single widget, so you can create clean, modern service sections in just a few clicks. Let's drop the Services section widget onto the page and see what makes it different. Right at the top of the Content tab, you'll find the Design Style dropdown with 5 built-in presets. Watch this, one click, and the entire section transforms. Colors, typography, spacing, card styling, and the overall look all update together instantly. Next is the Layout dropdown. You can switch between a responsive card grid, an icon left list, or a centered layout with a single click. And when you're using the card grid layout, you can also choose between 2, 3, or 4 columns. You also get complete control over your content. Add a section label, a headline with optional highlighted words, a description, and a list of service cards. Each card includes an icon, title, description, and an optional link. You can easily add, remove, or reorder cards whenever you need. Need a call to action? Simply enable the optional CTA button below the services grid and customize the text, icon, and link in just a few clicks. And it's not just for Elementor. The exact same services section is available as a native Gutenberg block. So you get the same experience whether you're using Elementor or the WordPress block editor. It's lightweight, accessible, and doesn't rely on jQuery or heavy JavaScript. This widget is perfect for agencies, SaaS founders, freelancers, and anyone who wants to create modern, professional service sections without spending hours on layout and styling. Update HTMega now or download it free from wordpress.org and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to HasThemes on YouTube.